What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, the Bitcoin price right now seems to be getting on the 1 hour chart rejected from this level here, just below $83,000, and we are pushing back towards the downside. However, I want to issue a massive warning right now because on the daily chart, we have still not closed this CME gap. In my opinion, the CME gap is just a smidge below 84,000 US dollars, and we have not closed it right now. I want to talk about this as well because this Fibonacci golden pocket right here is exactly within this range right here at $84,000, and I really think we are going to still push into this 84K before seeing a rejection to the downside. I want to talk about that in today's video. I want to talk about my trade right here. I want to talk about Iran, and I want to talk about all this other good stuff, guys. As always, sit back, relax, and get ready for the video. All right, guys, welcome back to another video again, and thank you for joining me. I really do appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Every single like. If you've got 2 seconds throughout your evening right now, drop a like down below on today's video. It will really help out the channel. And if you've got another 2, maybe 3 seconds, if you're slow, drop a comment down below, and you can say literally anything, guys, and it will enter you to win that $100 every single Monday. Apologies for a late upload. I was playing paddle this morning, unfortunately. Well, it was nice actually, so not unfortunately. But let's get in the charts. Before we do, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy called Jack making videos about his journey in crypto. If you're from the UK, USA, or UAE, please do not watch or engage with my content. So first of all, let's take a look at this on the daily chart right here, because it looks like we have had almost, if we do in fact close above this level right here, we will have a closed confirmed daily candlestick right here on this right here, this exact bear flag right there, which everyone is guessing will break towards the downside. However, this daily candlestick, in my opinion, will not be enough. We need to confirm it on the weekly time frame. As we can see right here, we really need to have this weekly close right now above approximately $82,000 to 100% confirm that we are in fact going higher. If I do see a close on above $82,000 on Sunday night, I'll be watching the charts, the football as well, but I'll be watching the charts. If we do have a close above $82,000 exactly right here, I will probably flip bullish. Now, I know I'm in my trade. It's in a huge loss right now. I will share that with you in just a few seconds. However, this is really, really important. First of all, we've got to secure the daily close above this level right here. And second of all, we do in fact have to confirm the weekly close. I am worried about this, guys, on the CME chart right here, because if we do in fact zoom out and take a little bit of a look, we can see that this CME chart right here is showing us that the golden pocket right here, the 0.65 and 0.618, exactly right here, is perfectly aligned at about 83,500 to about 84,600. It's perfectly aligned with my target of approximately $84,000 for Bitcoin before we do in fact dump. So I think we're going to wick up here, maybe even have a little bit of a higher wick, and then come back down and slowly correct all the way down to my bear market target. Again, if we take a look at my bear market target on the weekly time frame, to my bear market target right here, all the way down here with these ribbons at approximately 48 to 60K, somewhere in that range. That's what I think is going to happen personally, guys. If I'm correct, amazing. We can all benefit from it. If I'm wrong, it's completely okay, because I have other things set up for me, so I'm not losing too much. Again, I've got my spot positions, and I've told you I want to have a short position open to make the most of this bear market. And again, the short position is in a crazy loss right now. However, it's not the end of the world. I'm sticking to my plan. My liquidation price is at 85.2. I have a bit more margin, around 10K to play with, that I can make this liquidation price go a bit higher. I believe if I change the margin right here, I can put it up to about 87,300. So honestly, I should be okay in my opinion. I don't think we're going to push up to 87 or 90K. I could be wrong. Who knows? Let me know down below in the comments if you got a spare 2 or 3 seconds. Slap that like button right now, and also drop a comment. It will enter you to the giveaway. Also, guys, don't forget to check out yesterday's video, because I was telling you about this new offer which Ubit has right now, and you can actually go ahead and get up to $1,000 you can get $1,000 completely free position coupon right there. All you have to do, you can follow the info from the video down below today's video. There will also be a link to this video, and you basically just make your account using the Ubit link down below, then download the app, log into the app, wait 48 hours, and you'll have a coupon to go ahead and get that $1,000 trade in your coupon center on Ubit. You can see right here a rewards coupon center right there, and I believe the coupon should be there. Mine has expired, in fact, so I don't have it. However, the coupon will in fact be there if you did want to take it. So that is what my plan is. I'm staying in my trade right now. Or if you did want to go ahead and get a completely better entry point than me, I mean, my entry point was 77K. It's a horrible entry point. However, you can go ahead and get an amazing entry point right now with that free money. Or if you did want to use some of your own capital as well, that's okay. But again, the link is down below. Guys, Iran is really starting to mess with the markets. If Iran doesn't agree to this peace deal, then the bombing will start again at a much higher level. Already over the past few days, we've seen a few missiles and rockets here in Dubai. Unfortunately, if you see anything behind me as of filming this, you can see the marina right there. Please let me know. It's definitely not the best time right now. If you're in Dubai, let me know. If you're in Europe, let me know. I would love to know and talk with you guys in the comments. I tried to reply to all the comments I can. And again, let's hope we get some kind of a peace deal. We can see that around 400 million worth of shorts were liquidated, and 24 hours around 600 million were in fact liquidated. Make sure that is not one of you guys. Get your good entries on your trades, unlike me. And again, what we can see right here on Bitcoin 30-day liquidation map, there is a massive outweigh towards the longs compared to the shorts. The longs are about 6 times larger. The liquidation leverage right here, the longs is 6 times larger than the shorts. And each day the shorts are going down. Of course, they're getting liquidated. However, this is just absolutely crazy to me that we are still pushing higher with these longs right now. And these longs are much way higher. And again, if we take a look at the liquidation heat map right here on the 2-week, let's drag this down to 0.7, and we start to see that yes, there is still a little bit of liquidation right there. But with this pump right here, when we pump towards the upside, we can see that actually a lot of these longs, a lot of these shorts probably were in fact liquidated. I wasn't liquidated, guys. Yes, let's go. I wasn't liquidated, which is absolutely amazing. However, I think a lot of shorts are going to get liquidated. And again, if we do break up and push this, we have this massive level of resistance right here, which we can see previously was support right there. And again, it will act as resistance right there and most likely push the price back down to this level right here. Honestly, it really doesn't look like we're going to go down. Things look really... To be honest, things look reasonably bullish in the chart right now. We've had a nice push towards the upside right here. Very bullish. We're having higher highs right there. It's looking like we are going to keep pushing, and I think we will. I've said it many times before. I think we will keep pushing to this 84K range, this golden pocket range right there. I really think we're going to push towards it and then potentially see some kind of a massive dump towards the downside. So that is what I'm thinking, guys. Again, there is a massive amount of liquidation longs waiting to be liquidated. What will happen? Well, usually the maximum amount of pain will in fact happen. And what will the maximum amount of pain be? Well, we all know the maximum amount of pain will be to push towards the upside and then get rejected back towards the downside. So let me know in the comments below if you think something like that is going to happen. Again, when we're taking a look at this chart as well, guys, sorry, not this chart, this chart again, I want to confirm that I really only will flip reasonably bullish if we see a confirmed weekly above this bear flag right here. If we do not on Sunday night, then I will expect us to see a price target in the near term of about 75K right there, and then even a little bit longer around 70K, pushing all the way back down here. And again, if we take a look at the price target for this bear flag, we can see the price target is all the way down here at approximately 41 or 42,000 US dollars. But again, I think 46 to around 60, somewhere in that range is quite reasonable this bear market. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to go ahead and check this video out down below if you do want to get your free deposit voucher to go ahead and get $1,000 USDT trade. It's amazing, a free trade, completely free. And of course, go ahead and check out everything down below. Thanks for watching, guys. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. If you're in the UK, USA, or UAE, please watch or engage with my content. I'll catch you in the next one.